Hey guys, a small update on a Sunday about the XPS 9300. I finally installed Manjaro. I managed. It takes a long time to boot up the ISO, but eventually you get in. What you need to do there is to remove the video Linux driver and install the video mode setting driver, log out, log in again, and then run the installer. Once the installer is run, you need to root into the installation and again do the same thing, removing the video Linux driver and installing the video mode setting driver. Reboot the machine and Manjaro will work fine. So if you have this laptop and you're wondering when you boot up why it doesn't work, this might help you out. So just remember to delete the video Linux driver and install the video mode setting driver. Probably it's going to be patched in the future, but for now this is how you can solve it. I hope you liked the video guys, and I wish you a great Sunday. I'll see you soon in the next video.